Hello soul fam, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is a quick illustration or quick demonstration on how you can make your own push-up bra cup if you don't have any available in your location. Okay, so this is what I made earlier on today, so I decided to share with us. Okay, so this is the regular one we have here, and this is my own customized push-up bra. Okay, so all we need is just a piece of fiber, a regular bra cup, piece of fabric, your needle and thread, and of course your pins. So first thing we're going to do is to cut out the shape of our push-up effect. You can do this by just placing your fiber somewhere inside your cup. Okay, I want to cut out an arc kind of shape, so I'll fold into two like so and cut out an arc, all right, or a semicircle. Okay, so here we go. So I'm not going to be leaving this just like this. The next thing I'll do is to cover this up with a piece of fabric. So I'm going to cover this up in a way that the mouth of the fabric or the loose end of the fabric will be at the part where I'm attaching my push-up to, this way. All right, so this is the top of our cup and this is the bottom of our cup. So if I want to attach this fabric, I'll attach it in a way that is going to be this way, so that I can sew and fix it to the bottom of the cup. So just close this up like this. If this is not enough, you can get a bigger piece. Okay, so this is what I have. I'm going to be covering up like so, pin it together. Okay, so I'll be trimming out the excess. Okay, so I will take this to my sewing machine and stitch it just at the tip. So before stitching, I'm going to be joining, just securing it to the bra cup. You can put it down a bit. So I'll take this to the machine and sew, just hold it down. Okay, so I am done stitching. You can see I'll just go ahead, take out my pins and then trim out the excess. Be careful not to trim out the parts of the cup. Okay. So this is our push-up. Now to lay it flat, you can go ahead and use your uhu gum. Just apply a little at the tip. You can use your candle wax if you do not have uhu gum. And here you have your push-up bra. Will you be trying this? Please leave your comments in the comment section if you find this helpful. Do subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and follow us on Instagram as Sew with Zobs for daily sewing hacks and tips. Do have a lovely day. Bye.